Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. And so, in the previous session, we were discussing about the role of Jesus Mesni, the important person, one who took his prominent part or role in the unification of Italy. So, he is the person Jesus Mesni, and let's discuss the role of Jesus Mesni in the unification of Italy. So in the previous session I explained clearly Jesus Mesni, he was born in Geneva in the year 1807. He was Italian revolutionaries. He was identified as Italian revolutionary. Then he became the member of various secret societies such as Young Italy and Young Europe. So from his secret societies he attempted revolutionary activities in Liguria, and because of that he took part in two different Carbonari wars, and he was arrested and he was imprisoned in 1831. So after releasing from the jail, he organized a secret society called Young Italy and Young Europe. So from the secret societies, Jesus Mesni wanted unification of Italy with wider alliance of nations. He started to arise the whole of Italy to a greater unity and fight for the independence of Italy. Then for that he declared the need of an hour is only possible with self-sacrifice, confidence among the Italians so that they could fight and achieve their independence. So he frightened conservatives through opposition of monarchy and vision of democratic republics. So this is what we discussed in the previous session. Now let us go for discussing the other important person, one who took part in the unification of Italy. So the photo you are observing, he is none other than Garibaldi. So Garibaldi is the other person, one who took prominent part or prominent role in the unification of Italy. He was the person, one who is identified or known for a title during the time of unification of Italy as Sword. So Garibaldi, he fought for Italian unity and almost in single-handed united northern and southern Italy. Means he himself took prominent role in the unification of Italy and fight for Italy's unification. Then he is described as Sword of Italian unification. Then he led a voluntary army of guerrilla soldiers to capture Lombardy for Piedmont and later conquered Sicily and Naples, giving southern Italy to King Victor Emmanuel II of Piedmont, who started the kingdom of Italy. Then let's discuss what was his role in the unification of Italy. So Garibaldi, he was disciple, follower of Jesus Mesni, and he is described as Sword of Italian unification. So as a patriot, as a follower, as a disciple, as a person, one who is having the firm belief of national unity, he helped his master, who is his master? Jesus Mesni, to organize many number of revolts for the unification of Italy. Then he forced into exile. Exile means it is the process of making, or it is making the person to leave the particular reason for the particular period or the particular time. So in the year 1823 he forced to exile for 12 years. 12 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ 1823ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟಲಿಯಿಂದ ಅವನನ್ನು ಗಡೀಪಾರು ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು ಅಥವಾ ಅವನನ್ನು ಪಲಾಯನ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. Then his most daring exploit was to help the rebels attempt in the liberation of Sicily and Naples. His followers were called Red Shirts, who helped him in ending Spanish rule in Sicily and Naples. So let's end today's session with discussing about the other person, one who took prominent part in the unification of Italy. So I repeat once again. So the person whom we are discussing, he is Garibaldi, and Garibaldi fought for Italian unity and almost in single-handed he made fight for united northern and southern Italy. He led a voluntary army of guerrilla warfare soldiers to capture Lombardy for Piedmont and later conquered Sicily and Naples, giving southern Italy to King Victor Emmanuel II of Piedmont, who established the Kingdom of Italy. Then his role in the unification of Italy, it is he was a staunch follower or disciple of Mazzini, and he is described as the sword of Italian unification, and as a patriot he helped his master to organize, to take part or to lead many number of revolts. Because of his role and because of his part in the unification of Italy, he was made to exile in the year 1823 for 12 years. So then after secretly he organized guerrilla soldiers, and he made the soldiers to organize the revolts, and the most daring exploit was to help rebels in attempting liberation of Sicily and Naples. Then the followers, one who came forward with the intention of Italian unification along with Garibaldi, so they are identified as, they are known as Red Shirts. So these Red Shirts helped Garibaldi in ending Spanish rule in Sicily and Naples. So with this we will end today's session, and we will discuss the other person, one who took prominent part in the unification of Italy, and he is none other than Count Cavour. So about Count Cavour and his role in the unification of Italy and other part from the chapter we will discuss in tomorrow's session. So until then, take care of yourself. Thank you one and all.